Today we're going to be taking a look at PITAKA's MagEZ Case 4 for the brand new Galaxy S24 Plus. If you love minimalist cases that are strong, light, and feel great in the hand that also work with MagSafe accessories, this is definitely going to be the case for you. It's made from aramid fiber and it's super strong. If you guys want to pick this up, I will be putting a product link in the video description. And I guarantee you by the end of this video, you'll know whether or not this case is right for you. So let's get started. So I definitely applaud PITAKA for making their boxes out of recycled materials and giving you the least amount of box possible while still making it a really nice presentation. So here is the case itself. It's got kind of like this inner portion you just need to take out. They talk about sustainability, which is nice. So there is the case. As you can see, it is super light, very thin. We have our MagSafe ring on the inside here. Let's see how much it actually weighs. It only weighs 21 grams. That's the lightest case that I've tested so far. It's got a really nice aramid fiber back, feels really cool. And it doesn't show fingerprints very well either, which is great. Let's put our phone inside the case. Fits on the phone perfectly, snaps into place, so you don't have to worry about the case just falling off the phone. Feels really nice in the hand. I love the way that that aramid fiber feels. If we look at it from the side, you can see that the phone is pretty much just as thick as before we put this case on there. And there's also a slight raised edge to help protect your screen when you put it face down. On the bottom here, we have that hole cutout for the charging port, your SIM card tray, and the mic. On the side, we have another big cutout for your buttons. There's that aramid fiber on the back, and we do have a slight raised edge around your camera lenses to help with protection there too. I'm telling you, if you're a minimalist and you love these thin cases, PITAKA is definitely a good brand to check out. And again, it's got that built-in MagSafe that does work with a whole bunch of different MagSafe accessories. PITAKA also makes a MagSafe Car Mount that works perfectly with this case. As you can see, the car mount has that same aramid fiber. The phone clips right into place and immediately starts to charge. It's got a really strong hold too, so you don't have to worry about the phone just falling off, whether it being on your desk or in your car. I'll put a link in the description if you guys want to check this out too. I've been reviewing PITAKA cases for quite a few years now, and every time I put their case on there, it never ceases to amaze me how good it feels in the hand and how great it looks on the phone. I mean, it almost doesn't even look like there's any case on the phone. If you're looking at it dead on, there's no extra bulk. I absolutely love that. So if you want some, a little bit of protection for the back and on the sides, the PITAKA MagEZ Case 4 is definitely the way to go. And with that stronger magnetic hold on the back, it's definitely a plus. And like I mentioned before, it does work with other MagSafe accessories. Here I have a MagSafe power bank. If we clip it to the back, turn it on, it starts to charge your phone pretty much immediately. And again, like I mentioned, it's got a nice strong hold, so you don't have to worry about the MagSafe accessory just falling off of your phone. And in case you're wondering, this is 600D aramid fiber. You can tell by how finely woven the aramid fiber is. And I'm going to tell you right now, this case does not come off the phone easy. So if you happen to drop your phone, you're not going to have to worry about the phone just popping out of the case. So again, if you're looking for a really good minimalist case that's super strong, super light, offers really nice MagSafe compatibility, the MagEZ Case 4 is definitely the way to go. And again, if you guys want to pick it up, I will be putting links in the video description. If you guys enjoyed the video, it would really help out the channel if you gave me a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think about this case in the comments. I'm really interested to know how you guys feel about PITAKA's minimalist cases. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.